today I am going to show you how to find leakage current using a clamp leaker. If your RCCB inside the DB, you can see if your RCCB, you can say also ELCB, tripping frequently, you don't know why. This video will understand the real reason behind the tripping. This is one of the distribution board here we have, and as you know, there are several types of breaker. You can see there is one isolator which will never trip in the event of any kind of abnormalities. Then we have RCCB, residual current circuit breaker. Also we can say ELCB, earth leakage circuit breaker. It will trip if the leakage current exceed the limit. Then we have MCB, miniature circuit breaker. It will trip when there is a overload or short circuit in your circuit. Well, so in front of us there is a 30 milliampere ELCB. This is 40 ampere, I delta N 0.03 ampere. That means the rating of the breaker is 40 ampere. I delta N means I means current, delta N means difference numerous. 0.03 ampere is equal to 30 milliampere. That means if the leakage current exceeds 30 milliampere, then your breaker will get tripped. Well, now I will use a clamp leaker to measure the leakage current. So let's show you how it looks like and how we can use the clamp leaker. In front of us, you can see there is a clamp leaker. Okay, so let me switch it on. So when you will switch it on, there is something you can see 0.0 milliampere. This clamp leaker will be used to measure the leakage current. But the question is, you cannot only put only one phase cable to measure the leakage current. To measure the leakage current, we have to open the distribution board to get access into the cables. So let's open the distribution board. Well, this is the ELCB, or you can say RCCB, residual current circuit breaker, where 3 MCB are connected. These are the 3 MCB, 1, 2, 3. These are connected with this ELCB. This ELCB is getting tripped frequently due to earth leakage current. Okay, so let us identify from which circuit the earth is getting leakage, because you can see here there are 3 circuits. You can see R6, Y6 and B6. There is no load connected with B6. Okay, then R6 and Y6. The question is why MCB is not getting tripped. As you know, MCB will only trip if there is a overload or short circuit. If our ELCB is getting tripped, then there is an earth leakage current. Okay, so let us measure. So you can see this is R6, Y6. This is the phase cable I have disconnected, and this is the neutral cable I have identified. Okay, so always remember, while we are working with electrical panel, please do not forget to wear PPE. Okay, so wear PPE. Without PPE, do not carry out any kind of activity inside an electrical DB. Well, so I have identified and separated both phase and neutral cable, and this is our earth clamp leaker to measure the leakage current. What you have to do while you are using this equipment, do not put the earth clamp leaker individual cable. What you have to do, just you have to put with 2 cables. Okay, so you can see our MCB is on. Okay, so phase and neutral, both cable inside our clamp. Then you can see the leakage current. Okay, so here there is no leakage current. There is no leakage current shown in this meter. That means everything is right. If this leakage current will exceed 30 milliampere, okay, exceed the capacity, then your ELCB will get tripped. If it is getting frequently, then there should be an leakage current. Okay, so by this clamp leaker, you will get to know exact how much leakage current in your electrical circuits.